Good morning, everybody. We are getting back on track. I'm sorry we kind of got off track for a few days, but Beth and I just both have a lot on our plates right now, so it's been kind of difficult to take the time and do all this. And yesterday the issue was editing. I'd already filmed for a couple days, as you saw, but I just hadn't had time to edit it because Matthew needed his computer. But anyway, we should be back on track now. Welcome to today.
Sometimes when I eat Skittles, I eat them, you know, with a little bit of OCD. But it's really hard because if I eat one of these now, I have to eat the entire column or the entire row. So I kind of haven't eaten any Skittles in a while. So that's a lot of Skittles to eat.
Hey, Matthew.
Hey, Amanda.
Hooray for rain, hooray for rain, hooray for rain. Oh, I messed it up.
You messed it up. Nope,
Oh, well.
That is not the right key to this door.
Oh, that's unfortunate. No, don't stab me with that key! No! It's not just raining, it's flooding! I think he locked me out.
No, just kidding.
You locked me out, you're mean. It's so foggy. I had some really good intentions of going and doing some horse things, like literally just as that started. So I'm not gonna complain either because we really need that rain. We really, really need it. But hopefully it'll just pass on through and then I can do some riding and stuff. I'm gonna ride Gracie today. I'm not easily entertained. That wasn't like the 6th time I've done that. The battery died and I can't plug it in because there's lightning.
We got a leak. It's raining and we got a leak. You know, the other day when I came here and this was all wet, I was like, oh, Amanda must have just cleaned this, I guess.
You think I'm just messy?
But no, there's a water chopper right there. It's coming in through the light.
Sounds safe.
Yeah.
Electricity and water?
Well, let's see what happens. Gzzz.
That was really dangerous. Is it really coming from up there? Can you tell?
It must be.
Because there's just that one drop.
I don't know. Well, I saw it drip from here. No,
Is
it's not.
anything up
Here,
there wet?
Here, hold this.
Yeah, see if you can find where it's wet. Is it wet up there?
It is.
It is?
Well, no, there's a drop right there, but
Is that it?
that was it.
It may have just splashed up there.
We may have to go into the ceiling.
Love to see me some puddles these days. Look at that grass. Look at that grass. It's so happy. But blue skies are here again and I got ponies to ride, guys. Ponies to ride. I bet I should drag my arena, but I do not feel like doing that right now. Because then I have to go all the way. Oh, wait, you're foggy. There we go. Oh, it's still dirty. Guys, what are we gonna do? We really need to send this lens away to be fixed. Anyway, I'll walk backwards. It's okay, guys. We got this figured out. So, what was I talking about? I don't remember. Hold that thought. Yeah, I should really drag that. But there's like puddles on it. I don't want to get stuck. What if I get stuck? But look at it. Ugh. Ugh. Somebody asked about how we got those cool pictures of Belle the other day. This magical lighting does all the work for you. It just does this every day about this time. Gorgeous. Blurry. There it is. Doesn't that just look beautiful? There we go. That's better. All right, let's do this. Ugh, guys, I've got to get this pony clipped. It's just kind of a 2-person job because she's really fuzzy and stuff. We'll get it done this weekend, baby. I promise. Pinky promise. Pinky promise, pinky promise, pinky promise with your mustache. Alright, so bad news. The saddle I have doesn't fit her, so I guess I don't get to ride her. Or maybe I'll bareback her after I lunge her a little bit. But I think I'm gonna ground drive her. We'll try that for a little bit. Lame, I gotta go pick up a better pad for shimming and making it work. She's just narrower than my guys.
It may seem a little dark in here. That's because it's dark in here. Except for that window. I don't usually open that window because the lights are on. We lost power like a half hour ago, and now the power is not going to be on for another hour, according to the electric company. So that's really annoying. Although we did have some crazy lightning storms, like they were all around us. We got some big tree branches down and such. So my tablet died, and I hope my laptop will last because I got work to do. I'm glad I didn't put a big, hour-long thing of baked mac and cheese in the oven because that would have been stinky. By stinky, I mean disappointing. Meh.
So, since today's kind of an assessment day, we're going to be doing several different things with her just to kind of see where we are, because I haven't seen her in a little while. I haven't ridden her in ages. So most of what we're doing today is assessment to see what's going on.
Tonight for dinner, we're having Italian hot sausage pizza hoagie rolls. Boom! Starts off with onions and peppers in the pan, sauteing. Boom! Boom!
Oh my goodness, look at what a mess I am. Mew, I am a little tired.
Then take a nap. Then fire the missiles! With your peppers and onions sauteed, you then do your sausage. dice up the sausage, put some sauce in it, then I put all those things inside my little things over here, and then I'm gonna put that stuff into this, and then I'm gonna put some of this onto that, and then I'm gonna put that into there. What do you think? He did a bigger pan. Oh, so just stuff them all up there, then we'll do the cheese. Look at the cheese. Look at the cheese.
It's so nice to take a shower after a long day of work on a farm. Look, we're vlogging at the same time.
Wow.
I'm sorry I interrupted.
Into the oven, into the oven. Ah, hey look, tater tots. And there we go, just a few minutes in there, I touched on the broiler and they are ready to go. Thank you for joining us in the Connerton kitchen. And next up, Amanda will do a polka.
We're gonna polka him. I'm grumpy and I'm tired and I don't feel good. But I love you guys. So, that's good. Cute. Do you love me? She's like, please don't involve me in this. Mayo! Mayo.
Yes.
Love you.
Wow.
Boop,
I was gonna say the same exact thing.
You were gonna say boop, boop, boop. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, good night.